Welcome class 3. This video is for your next chapter, that is chapter number 5, the internet. Open page number 52. Internet. So I guess everybody know what is internet. Because of this pandemic we are very familiar with this term. So internet is popularly called net. It is a technology that connects millions of computers across the world. Computers connected to the internet can exchange information and communicate with one another. With the help of internet, we can gather information, we can send messages, letters, or we can even talk to our friend no matter where he or she is. No one knows exactly how many computers are connected to the internet. These numbers are in trillions and are increasing at a rapid rate day by day. Next, page number 53, uses of internet. How can we use internet? There are plenty of things we can do on internet. Some of are given in your books. For example, email. Email, electronic mail, enables us to send and receive messages to or from people around the world. Next one is search information. Search information, you can find any information related to any topic on internet. Shopping online, we can purchase or sell products on internet even while sitting at home. You can just simply lay down on your bed and you can order whatever you want to buy, like books, clothes, any products. You can order it online and you will get it at your home very easily. Next is chatting. Internet allows one to exchange type message with another person. For example, very famous WhatsApp. We do generally do chattings on WhatsApp, right? So that is because of internet. Next is advertisement. Different company can advertise by giving information about their company and their products if they have their website on the internet. So that is another use of internet. Next, listening to music and watching movies. YouTube, very famous. Like we are making videos for all of you for your syllabus. So you watch your videos on internet, and if there is no internet in your computers or in your mobiles, you won't be able to watch it. So it helps to listen to music and watch movies. We can play games as well. I know all of you play games online. You can even download it in your computers or on your mobiles, or you can play online. Social networking. Children, social networking sites are those sites which enables us to connect with people who share similar or personal or professional interest. Right? And one of the famous and most popular social networking site is Facebook. I guess everybody know what is Facebook, right? So that is a social networking site which makes us connected with other person. So these are some uses of internet. Next, on page number 54, we are having advantages and disadvantages of internet. Children, there are so many things on internet which gives us positive effects and negative effects also. So whatever the things which gives us positive responses and positive output, that are advantages, and negative ones are the disadvantages. So advantages, like you can get any information related to any topic of your interest easily. Then we can send emails or messages to our friends at long distance at very high speed. We can play online games. So all the uses you can mention in the advantages. We can do video conferencing with a group of people, like for example, nowadays we are used to do ptms online with all of you. So that is a conferencing with the help of internet. We can listen to music or watch movies on internet. We can buy books, toys and other products on internet. So all the uses can come under the advantages of internet. But there are some troubles also that we have to face while using internet. So we need to be little more care while using internet. So what are the disadvantages of internet? Number one, nowadays people make friends and play games on internet, right? So there is no direct contact with the friends and family. That is a big loss. Second, all information what we get on the internet is not 100% accurate. Third, people spend more time on internet on serving irrelevant websites which may affect their work or study. Like some children keep on playing games on the internet, so it will harm their health as well as their studies. Next is cybercrime is common nowadays on internet. Your personal information which we post on social networking sites can be misused on internet by the hackers. There is much inappropriate content on internet which may be not be suitable for children. For example, horror music, terrorism. So these are some kind of information or sites which are not appropriate for the children. So there are some disadvantages of internet. So these are. Next is on page number 55, important terms related to internet. Now there are some important terms which you need to understand and know which are related to internet. So the first one is WWW. The full form of it is World Wide Web. It is an electronic library that contains lots of information in the form of text, picture and sound. Next is web page. Web page is the single page on the web that contains information related to any topic. Next, website. Website is a collection of web page related to same topic is called website. Web browser, it is a software used to open page or website. In simple language, you can say it is an icon. When you click on that icon, you can able to access internet. So that is web browser. And most common web browser nowadays are Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. The pictures are also given in your books. Home page. When you click on web browser, the first page that appears is called home page. It always displays the starting web page of the website. Next, link. Children, there are small icons which takes you to another part of the web page or another page. That is known as link, and it is also called hyperlink. When you click on that link, the other page loads into your web browser automatically. Next, URL. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is a unique address of every website on the internet. So children, every website have unique address which is known as URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Search engine. Search engine is a software that finds website, web page, images, videos, maps, other information related to your topic on internet. So the famous one is Google. You just click on the Google icon and you will get a search bar where you can type anything which you want to search, and it will show you all the web pages and all the information related to it. So they are search engine. Okay. Thank you.